Spirit Tower information, Kilo 1954 Zulu, wind 310 at 5, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 10, dew point -4, altimeter 3016.
Spirit Tower, good afternoon, Skylane November 33 Mike Golf, we're about 2 miles from Joburg, inbound on the RNAV, runway 8 right approach.
33 Mike Golf, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, continue.
Continue 3 Mike Golf.
3 Mike Golf, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Golf, clear to land 8 right.
Information, Mike, now current wind 0404, altimeter 3012. Mike Golf, contact ground point 7.
7, thank you, so long.
1061, fly runway heading, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff, clear section.
For 903 Kilo, runway 8 right, clear land.
Clear land, 93 Kilo, we're going to Millionaire.
Four 1769er Spirit Tower, make straight in for runway 8 right.
For 8 right, 41769er.
769er, if I didn't say it, runway 8 right, you are clear to land.
And 8 right, 41769er.
Cirrus 716 Kilo Pop, visual 8 right.
14176, correction. 716 Kilo Papa, Spirit Tower. Enter into the right downwind for runway 8 right.
Downwind for 8 right, 6 kilo pop.
Kilo Papa, runway 8 right, clear to land.
8 right, 6 kilo pop.
Kilo Papa, contact ground, point 7. Pico 7, Lima Delta, are you able to make a short approach?
Firm for 667 Lima Delta.
Lima Delta, runway 8 right, clear to land, make short approach, traffic, be Saratoga, following you in, currently 9 miles to the west.
That's cleared for landing, short approach, 667 Lima Delta.
So 7 Lima Delta, thanks for the help. Left turn when able. And I will contact ground when off, point 7. They'll get you to the west ramp.
Ground point 7, and no problem, 67 Lima Delta.
Lima Delta, looks like ground is actually busy at the moment. Just monitor ground and start your taxi via Alpha Bravo.
Tower 8177 inbound, 8 right.
That was 8177 Yankee checking inbound.
8177 Yankee.
7 Yankee, roger. Continue straight in for runway 8 right, clear to land. And this vehicle's rolling. Just advise us if you need any additional services.
Right, clear land, and we are going to need some help exiting the runway. 8177.
7 Yankee, roger. 7 Yankee. As you come inbound, may see traffic ahead and to your left, 2,000 feet. They'll be inbound for the north side. No factor for you. Yankee winds currently 090 at 6.
Yankee's going to be able to exit the runway around power.
7 Yankee, roger. And will you be able to get to your ramp, or we do have some vehicles to help you if you can't?
Yeah, power, I keep my ramp.
7 Yankee, roger. And continue ramp. Where are you parking? 7 Yankee, roger. Continue via Alpha and switch over to ground point 7 when able. They'll help you from here on in. And advise them if you need any additional services.
Continue via Alpha and over.
Hello, we got flight 777, visual 8 right.
Flight 777, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land. Be advised, multiple aircraft in the pattern north side. All Cessnas will not be a factor.
Cleared to land, got flight 777, we'll keep an eye.
Triple 7, left turn when able, contact ground point 7.
When able, and over to
Tower 71 Tango Zulu. Tango Zulu, Spirit.
Visual 8 right, sorry. 71 Tango Zulu.
Tango Zulu, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land, 8 right, 71 Tango Zulu.
1 Tango Zulu, there will be multiple aircraft into pattern, north side, no factor for you. Tango Zulu, stay Parker. Tango Zulu, roger. Make a left turn at Alpha 5, continue mistwood via Alpha, and monitor ground, point 7.
5 to Alpha with you, or over ground, 71 Tango Zulu.
Sorry, KJ1 17, we're ready again.
At 117, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, full length, line up and wait.
Wait, full length, 8 right, 3 to Jet 117.
At 117, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, and expect turn in the air.
Good, runway heading, still up to 3,000. I'm only expect to turn, expect you at 117, pick up 8.
For 117, when able, turn right heading 150.
Right turn 150, schedule 117.
117, contact St. Louis departure.
St. Louis departure, schedule 117, get it.
Spirit Tower, crew trip 367, 12 miles to the south, inbound with Mike. Look for both stops of the white ramp.
7 runway, 8 right, cleared to land.
8 right, cleared to land, crew check 367.
T67, left turn Alpha 5, straight in with me.
Turn Alpha 5, straight in, crew check 360.
Tower, Skyhawk 51163. 3 is about 2,400 feet, on localizer 08 right, would like full taxi back to Elite.
51163, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 8 right, 51163.
163, question?
63, say question.
Hey, we're getting a positive glide slope. Is that back up?
163, they're still working on it, but so it has not been certified yet.
We're kind of figuring. So, yeah, we're still on localizer visual, but next slide, Skyhawk 123.
63, you'll be seeing company traffic ahead and to your left for the north side, no factor.
Thanks, 123.
Tower, crew check 1061, established RNAV runway 8 right.
Check 1061, Spirit Tower, house approach terminate.
Requesting full stop with taxi back to 8 right.
1061 Roger, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Runway 8 right, clear to land, clear to track 1061.
You can make a left show enable, taxi back to runway 8 right via Alpha with me. And are you just wanting to stay in the pattern?
Left show enable and...
61 Roger, and when able, reset transponder to 1200.
Sure, Tower 970, Papa Tango, ready at the end here.
970 Papa Tango, Spirit Tower Roger, just waiting your IFR release.
Sure, Papa Tango.
70 Papa Tango, turn right heading, 150, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
50, clear for takeoff, 8 right, 970 Papa Tango.
Location 0 Papa Tango, going heading will be 150. You can contact St. Louis departure.
50 and St. Louis departure, Papa Tango.
First hour, November 991, Mike, inbound for 8 right. 901, Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear and 8 right, so on, Mike.
November 1, Mike, you may see a Seminole on a left base for runway 8 left at 1,400.
Watch it, on, Mike.
One, Mike, say parking. Mike, Roger, turn left at the first intersection you come up to. That'll be the reverse high-speed taxiway. Taxi to parking via taxiway Alpha. Remain this frequency.
Left turn, parking by Alpha, CSU.
Tower, start check 84, visual 8 right.
84, Spirit Tower, enter left downwind for runway 8 right.
Left downwind for 8 right, start check 84.
Start check 84, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land 8 right, start check 84.
Check 84. Turn left your discretion, taxi to parking via taxiway Alpha. Remain this frequency.